Hello guys, this is Universal and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A52 secure folder not working or not showing problem. So before starting video, if you are first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you are facing secure folder not working or not showing problem in Samsung Galaxy A52, just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue. So first of all, just go to settings